Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're making Chinese sweet crispy shrimp. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the channel icon down below. I would love to have you share the cooking experience weekly. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field down below. Today's main character is the shrimp, deveined already. If you would like to know how to devein the shrimp, let me know. I can definitely prepare for a video. We're gonna shred some scallion. We only need a few. And then we're gonna shred the ginger. Ginger and garlic is your friend when you cook fish or shrimp. And then we are going to use the cooking wine to season the shrimp a little bit and add black pepper, salt, mix it well, and leave it sit for about 20 minutes. At the same time, we're going to prepare the liquid ingredient. Add light soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, brown sugar, white sugar is fine too, and then I add some water, about half a cup or so. Mix it well. One teaspoon of cornstarch. Potato starch is fine too. Mix it well again. In a heated pan, add the cooking oil. Wait until the oil gets hot. Then we're gonna put the shrimp in. Turn the heat into high level. And we are going to wait until the shrimp, the side on the bottom of the pan, turn into golden color before we flip. Noted that I didn't add that much cooking oil for, make it a little healthy, because I don't want to fry the shrimp. You can certainly do that if you enjoy the fried food, and it just tastes a little bit more crispy even than the version that I'm cooking with you right now. So flip it when the shrimp change color. Orange and brown color, orange and golden color. Flip all of them. This is more like stir fry instead of fried shrimp. But like I said, it's just less oil. This is one of my favorite dish because it's so easy to make and it's so tasty. I highly recommend you to try it. And keep stir frying, and you don't have to flip back and forth. Just once is good until you see the oil changed color. Oil look like a brown color or golden brown color, I should say. Then that means they're ready to continue for the next step. So add the ginger and fry together. This is a better view of the oil. It changed the darker color as you see. I always, for the recipe, I always cook the shrimp with head on, but you can certainly pick the one without head. But for some reason, I just like the head because there is something inside the head that will release this tasty shrimp juice. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the brain of the shrimp. I don't want to think too deeply of that, and I don't know if my word is gonna scare you, but it really is, it's very tasty when you suck it. So and then add all the liquid in and let it sit there in a medium heat for about 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, and you see it's bubbling up, and wait until the juice is getting thicker and sticky and attached to the shrimp. It's just for the taste. You can flip the shrimp a little bit so that all the juice is evenly spreaded. The trick is always, you see the bubble is getting bigger and bigger, that means they're ready. And then once they're ready, take them out and place them in the dish however you want to, make it more beautiful, and then pour the juice on top and put the scallion there for both decoration and taste as well. And they are ready. Once again, this is good for dinner or lunch. With a cup of rice or mantou. Try it and let me know if you like it. It's so good to have you today. Check out the other videos in my channel. I'll see you next time.